funny story. So I was ranting for 5 minutes straight, thinking that I recorded the whole thing, that I was gonna explain what I'm doing, and I didn't. I just saw the timer. I was like, how many minutes do I have? And it wasn't recording. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video with Jessie, and today I'm gonna do my photo shoot for my 28th birthday. Actually, today's March 1st. Tomorrow is March 2nd. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm turning 28. So for my 28th birthday, I wanted to do a photo shoot. So that's been trending last year, and I was like, I want it this year. Like, I'm turning 28, I'm old, and I need it. So I am gonna go to Party City, get 2 numbered balloons, and get 2 of the wallpapers. I do have a wallpaper that I'm gonna use, but just in case if I don't like it. And it's a Kate Spade inspired wallpaper that I'm actually buying. I do have one in hand, but I don't know if that's gonna work well. But if it doesn't, I have the spare one to use, and it's only $5 at Party City, so it's no big deal. So I'm gonna use this background right here, and I'm actually going stand back. So I'm actually gonna move this sofa, the toys, all of it, and I'm gonna push these 2 sofas right here, this one, and I'm gonna push it towards the TV over there. So that's what I'm trying to do, so I could use this space, because I only have one fucking little window here, and there's not enough light in this house. It's so fucking dark. And over there is my kitchen area, and there's a lot of light over there, but there's a rim right there, right here, right there, that little rim, white rim. I can't move that, so I don't want it to look weird in the picture, so that's why I'm not doing it in the kitchen, or else your homegirl will. And I actually need the lighting facing me. I want to get as much light as possible, but this week we only got one good day, good weather, and the rest of the week it was fucking cold. This Texas weather is fucking crazy, and it's like Mother Nature is on her period. But anyways, I am gonna move that, take this chandelier portrait out of the way, and put the wallpaper there, and bring it to here, the end of the wall, to this portrait right here. So when I step back out, and I could get the full picture. And I am gonna be using this as a prop, and it's a large vase and some big stems with roses in them. These I purchased at Walmart, and the vase ran for $15. The white flowers were $3, and the pink roses were $2. So I'm gonna use that as a prop, and I am also gonna use my purple plum chair as a prop. It looks a little faded because I don't have that much lighting here, but I am gonna be using this as a prop in the picture. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do your photo shoot on a budget. So I'm gonna go ahead to Party City and go buy those 2 and 8 numbered balloons, and 2 of those Kate Spade backdrops. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when I walk to the store, and I'll show you what I'm purchasing. Okay, bye. So I just went to Party City. I got my balloons, but I only managed to get the number 2. They did not have anything that I wanted in the colors I wanted. So now I have to go to another Party City. So hopefully they have the number 8. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I didn't record myself going to Party City across town to get the number 8 balloon, but I did manage to get it. And what I'm doing now is moving everything before I apply my makeup, because I don't want it gliding off my face, because it's not going to look good in pictures. So my daughter's helping me out, and you don't necessarily have to buy furniture. You use what you have at home. I'm using that purple plum armchair, and I'm just removing the portraits off the wall. And I don't have a backdrop stand, but I'm using my wall as my backdrop stand, and I'm gonna use this wallpaper. It's a black stripe wallpaper, wrapping paper, and I want to say I bought it from Target. 100% sure that I bought it from there, and it was $5. But I also want to say Party City, because they also do have like Kate inspired stuff. But I don't know, I couldn't find the Kate inspired wallpaper, so I already had this at home. This is what I'm using. So that's a save, and I am just not sticking it, but I am thumbnailing it to the wall, and my daughter is helping me hold it while I thumbnail. And just use what you have at home. And I am gonna use like I said, that purple plum armchair, and I'm gonna use that white fox fur rug that I have, and I'm gonna use the decorative pillow that I have in my bed for my bedroom. So use what you have at home and improvise and make it look cute. And I have a throw cover that I'm gonna use for the photo shoot. So I'm not buying things just for this photo shoot. I already have it at home, and you know, us girls, we love to decorate. Who doesn't like to decorate their home? You must have something cute to decorate. So if you have things to decorate, you could use it as a prop, or you could use it to decorate, like to bring more personality into your picture. So that's what I did. I'm using what I have at home and not spending anything else on. But what I did purchase only was that vase. That was $14.99 at Walmart, and the roses that were $2-3. So for the roses and the vase, I want to say roughly $20 that I spent. And I did purchase the balloons, and you could go with the 2 number balloons. They're $11.99 each at Party City, and that will be completely good photo shoot. But I wanted to be extra, and I wanted to buy more balloons. So total of balloons that I spent, I want to say roughly $45 with taxes and everything. And I did purchase the crown. I've been wanting that crown tiara for the longest, and I told my husband to purchase it, and that was only $25. And I'll leave it in the description box below. But use what you have. Don't spend a lot of money. And it was cloudy. I did my makeup late, so I had to improvise, and I used all the lights that I had in my house, including my lamps, so to have that bright and make it, make it pop everything. So I'm setting this up, and I'm gonna add the balloons, but I'm gonna show you my outfit. So this is the look. I'm missing the final touch, and I'll show you in a minute what it is. But wearing a long black sleeve shirt, a tutu, and some sparkly heels. So I'm gonna add this tiara crown on my head, and it came with some gold bobby pins, but I'm not gonna use because those fucking shits hurt, and I did not end up using them. So I'm gonna set up the balloons and set it up because up close it looks different. When you step back, it looks different. So it's just go back and forth, see what you like it, how it's arranged, and rearrange it if you have to. But like I said, use what you already have. And don't buy anything else unless you want to be a little extra or you have the money to spend, and go all for it. So I did buy the balloons and the vase and the plants. I want to say I spent roughly around, and the tiara. So I actually spent roughly about $80. So I kind of did splurge, but hey, it's a photo shoot that I only did it one time, and most likely I'm gonna use these things again. I'm gonna try to save those balloons for next year because someone's gonna have birthdays and I can use that number. So yes, have someone to help you, because if you press a timer, I was gonna do that, and running back and forth was gonna be tiring. So good thing my daughter was there to help me. So I did manage to take a few snaps of my picture of my photo shoot, and I will add it in the video, and I hope you liked it, guys. And this is how I did my photo shoot. You could go on the budget, just buy the 2-number balloons for $11.99 each at Party City, and use whatever you have at home and personalize it to your own personality. Just be extra with it if you want to, or subtle as you want it to. So one more thing, don't forget your crown, because remember, yes, queen, you got this on your birthday. Rock it, because it's your birthday. You're only turning 28 once. So hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you next one. Bye.